I bought 20,000 more Kaspa. I will be a multi-millionaire very soon. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to do our typical daily update about what happened since yesterday in the price, in the rank, in the market cap, because as you can clearly see right now we have a slight pump to the upside. Also, we're about to do our technical analysis. Unfortunately, the site is still down, so today we won't see the categories and the top addresses, but we're about to see the hash rate, which, guys, it happened exactly as my prediction was before 2 months, that we're gonna close the September above 30 petahash per second, and we reached before a couple hours a new all-time high from a petahash side. So very bullish news. Also, we're about to see at this video that some YouTubers covered Kaspa content. So as you understand, the adoption is moving, and that's very powerful. We're gonna speak for all of these things. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa in the crypto market, and not only. Okay, so it's going to be very beneficial to you to know all of these things by first hand. Highly recommend it. And do not forget to check the WealthNET, guys, because it's our elite crypto investors private group. Is not accessible for everyone. We would like to have a like-minded people inside of that group, so that's why it's not accessible for everyone. This group is far beyond buy and sell signals. Okay, obviously we got very successful buy signals, because as you can clearly see here, we bought always the bottom. Okay, we bought the first buy signal in Kaspa. It was in the group at 0.015 cents. Then it happened at 2 cents. Then another bottom that we bought here, it was approximately the 0.035 cents. And as you can clearly see, we are buying heavy in every bottom of Kaspa. So we incorporate some buy and sell signals, but in general, our focus is to build you a proper crypto investing mindset to handle the situations. Okay, we would like to teach you the way that's gonna lead you into the prosperity path, not just to always depend on someone. That's why we got, guys, very elite people inside of that group. Okay, it's not all elite people, but we got business owners, we got entrepreneurs, we got multi-millionaires, crypto YouTubers, crypto experts, whatever you can imagine is inside of this group. And the spots for the first 50 people are very limited. So guys, if you're interested to enter now, because this prices maybe the next coming days gonna raise. The spots are very limited. We are very close to reach 50 people. So if you're interested for the 1 year access, it's 250 per year, and the lifetime is 750 for lifetime. This price is gonna change a lot, especially at the peak of the bull run, like 20-50 times more. So if you're interested to enter, send us an email with a brief introduction about yourself, who you are, what you are looking from this group, and whatever you think is necessary to provide it. And guys, we're gonna reply. The email is wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com. Surround yourself with sharks, not with fishes. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with our typical daily update around the price of Kaspa. Guys, the price, as you can clearly see, is a little bit higher than yesterday at 0.047 cents, which seems very bullish. I'm not gonna lie. Ranked remains 44. We are studying against our competitors with the power of the community. This is exactly why I love a lot Kaspa. Kaspa is standing where it's standing only by diamond hands. Always remember this. The majority of other layer ones that are our competitors near to these categories, top 30s, top 40s, top 50s, are actually backed by venture capitalists, by the coins of the team. And when actually the retail investors will put their precious money, these people gonna dump the retail investors. Something that you can call scam. Okay, it's not fair. That's why we call that Kaspa is Fairlands project. Anyway, market cap, as you can clearly see, above 1 billion. Guys, I told you under 1 billion is extremely big still. buy under 1 billion before the price will skyrocket above 1 billion, and it will never come under 1 billion again. And to be honest with you guys, if Kaspa will surpass the 5 cents area again, I believe it will never ever Kaspa be under 1 billion. This was the last time. So I hope you do your dollar cost average. Okay, I hope you do. If you didn't buy in the bottoms, and because you don't know how and when to buy, that's why the WealthNet is there, guys. We buy, the World Group bought here, the World Group bought here, and the World Group, the early OGs of the group, basically bought Kaspa when I bought my first buy signal at 0.015 cents. We bought very, very massively here, okay, and also at this second signal, and also in the third signal too, okay. So if you're interested for this, join to WealthNet. Anyway, let's move, guys, into the Hashrate, because the site, as you can clearly see, says apologies for that we are not accessible yet to use the site. Anyway, Kaspa Hashrate right now is studying 29.1 petahash per second. Crazy bullish, okay, that's really, really great, astonishing. And as you can clearly see in the screen, the all-time high was 31.22 petahash per second before a couple hours. Extremely bullish. The prediction actually happened. I told you by the end days of the September, I was estimating approximately 30 petahash per second. And guys, one day before the month close, we reached this number, 31.22, and actually it was far beyond the 30, okay, it was 31.22 petahash per second. And let's see if even tomorrow we're gonna see another hate like in 32 or 33. It's gonna be even more bullish. And don't forget that a new batch of ASICs are coming, so that's gonna skyrocket the Kaspa Hashrate like in 50, 60, 70, or even more than that. So that's really, really bullish for the computational power. That shows more protection, more stability, and more health in the Kaspa network, ready for bigger adoption, okay, ready to welcome a bigger adoption. And let's move straight into the technical analysis, because as you can clearly see, Kaspa right now is looking bullish, okay. This daily candle that is green right now is looking very bullish. Let's see if in 13 hours from now we're gonna close this daily candle in green, okay, because if this is gonna remain green, the situation here is gonna start flipping to very, very bullish from neutral that it was here. It's gonna start flipping very, very bullish. Let's see how we're gonna close this daily green candle. I told you guys that no matter if the technicals shows like a decline movement or whatever, Kaspa can pump anytime into the upside. It's a community driven project, and also we have very great fundamental news to come, okay. And also Bitcoin, when Bitcoin is pumping, also is driving the whole crypto market up. So Kaspa has lots of ways to pump, okay. It has the Bitcoin manipulation, like if we're gonna see any positive news for Bitcoin, Kaspa will pump too, okay, like the whole crypto market. Also, we got, guys, the Rust upgrade. When the Rust is gonna be implemented into the mainnet, that's gonna be very bullish. That's gonna drive the price up a lot, okay. That's another bullish fundamental thing that can pump the price up. And we have all the great news, all the exposure from the other YouTubers of Kaspa, which can drive a little bit the price up, can bring new retail investors into the Kaspa. Also, we got the exchange listings, guys. If we're gonna see another medium to big exchange listing, because right now we have got only medium to low, right now if we're gonna see medium to high exchange that will list Kaspa, guys, mark my words, the price will skyrocket to 6 cents like nothing, like peanuts. You're gonna see Kaspa under top 40 very easy, like there is no wall. It's gonna move like there is no bear market, there is no nothing. And if you're gonna see like 2-3 exchanges gonna list Kaspa, and I speak for reliable exchanges, okay, big, medium to big exchanges, guys, I can see Kaspa easy to 7 cents or 0.075 cents price like that. Maybe then a correction to 6 cents, and when I move into the upside like there is no bear market. Okay, so from the technical side today, I won't actually show you something like if you want to form a pattern or whatever, because I don't rely on technicals. And right now the situation needs more evaluation of the next data, so I won't show you something. I'm waiting to evaluate tomorrow better the situation. And guys, as you understand, don't rely that much in the stupid technical like double top, like we had here, this head and shoulder. All of these are bullshit. The people who actually rely that much in technicals has no idea, no clue around the fundamentals. Okay, they don't know how the things work. They only rely in like in charts, pattern, lines, support, resistance. All of these things are bullshit because, for example, in Kaspa, if Binance will buy Kaspa, no matter here if you got the most bearish pattern, the most bearish chart, whatever, the most bearish crossed indicators, if Binance will buy Kaspa and list it into the exchange, Kaspa will pump. Okay, so these things are actually things that you don't know. And when Kaspa is backed by retail investors, diamond hands, you cannot rely on huge dumps. For example, for Kaspa, for the people who are still waiting to see Kaspa at 2 cents, who's gonna sell Kaspa at 3 cents, at 0.035 cents, or even at 2 cents, 0.025 cents, for you to see the Kaspa 2 cents? No one, only paper hands, like which I believe in this current situation of Kaspa, these paper hands are minority. Okay, anyway, that's from the technical. We're gonna evaluate again the situation tomorrow, and let's move straight, guys, to these people who actually spoke for Kaspa. I saw a video from Virtual Bacon. Virtual Bacon, it seems funny, his name. Anyway, I saw he did some tweets about Kaspa, but he thinks like, for me, he doesn't know exactly. He is another YouTuber which he didn't understood well the Kaspa. He was a very quick research. He did a very quick research around Kaspa. He didn't actually deep dive as supposed to be, but I cannot rely that much to him because I see he promoting like scam coins like Ethereum, like some other proof of stake projects that their tokenomics are ridiculous bad. Okay, so when I see some people who promote these type of projects, something like a red flag emerges immediately for me. Anyway, maybe he is doing that for the views or whatever. We will see how he's gonna speak in the future for Kaspa. But guys, mark my words, in the future, the YouTubers gonna change all this philosophy around Kaspa, and they're gonna start, for the big YouTubers, they're gonna start talking that Kaspa will flip Bitcoin, will flip Ethereum and all of these things, when Kaspa will be in the top 15, top 10, only in that case. Okay, right now that Kaspa is standing in top 40 to 50 coins, they don't actually care that much. They don't investigate Kaspa that much. They're gonna speak for Kaspa when Kaspa is gonna be like number one in trends. Okay, only that way they're gonna start spreading the truth. And we had the Coin Bureau, the second channel. This guy actually create a video around Kaspa, not actually Kaspa, the 3 new cryptos making crazy gains. This was actually the video in his second channel, and he had Kaspa inside of that. This is good because big YouTubers like Coin Bureau with millions of subscribers means that there is a probability for him anytime soon to do a video about Kaspa, as he did in other proof of scam projects. I hope he actually to do that soon, because it should do that. He has very big YouTube channel, and his goal should be to awake people. Okay, that's why I wrote this comment. When I read it again, it makes me laugh. Look, Coin Bureau, start researching for Kaspa and let the world know about the only real solution in the crypto space, the only ultra sound money that we have in the crypto. stateless money. Stop promoting the seed projects anymore. Kaspa is the only real digital silver. And it's funny for me because when I write like that, I'm angry, okay? I'm angry because I see that you comparing Kaspa with other projects, and Kaspa is the only real solution, the only real digital silver, the only real stateless money that we are about to use in the future. And the big YouTubers are actually not educate the people as it should be. Okay, you get the education from people like me with 5,000 subscribers, from other guys with 5 to 20,000 subscribers, and not from the big ones. And the big ones promote like projects with proof of stake that had pre-allocation like 50% into the insiders. And they are speaking that these projects are good and it can bring you like lots of money and lots of gains in the next bull run. That's ridiculous. Guys, for those who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, what's the best and safest way to store your Kaspa or your cryptos? Guys, is the cold storage the safest way. And the cold storage of my preference is the Tazem wallet. I use Tazem wallet. Okay, that's why you see that in the description. It's not sponsored to sponsor the Tazem wallet. I use Tazem wallet. Personally, I have only Tazem wallet. That's why I got it here in the description. With CryptoChris code, you're gonna have 10% off discount, or by clicking here the link, you're gonna have this CryptoChris code applied immediately. So it's gonna be very beneficial for you to get 10% off of your purchase of Tazem. So highly recommend it, guys. I prefer it over all other cold storages out there for several reasons. I was ex-Ledger user. Immediately after the seed phrase scandal that happened, that Ledger company have access to your seed phrase, immediately I switched up. This is illegal, and I bought my Tazem wallet. Okay, so highly recommend it. And that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.